Hi everyone, welcome to my first video in a series of lockdown life hacks for those who are privileged but still want a little bit more daily privilege, such as going to your coffee shop and having the order of your choice. So how can we get through this as we are locked away for the next month? Watch and see. I have just boiled this kettle. I have with me a cup with a lid, a sachet of flat white, Greg's, like one of the top budget brands in New Zealand. And then a hot chocolate sachet, I don't even know what brand that is. I don't even think it has a brand. All I know is it's not for individual sale. So anyway, we can make 3 different types of cafe orders with these 2 sachets. You can go just flat white. You could have a hot chocolate. Or you can be like fancy as fuck and make a mocha. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Grab a cup. Take the lid off. And we are going to do a mathematical ratio here of 50% flat white sachet. Oh, that's about right. Save that for our next coffee. And then we're gonna go 50% of the hot chocolate. Oh yeah, that's the good shit. We'll save these for our coffee tomorrow. Now you're going to give that a bit of a stir. The spoon's too small, but whatever. Pour in your hot water. Really steamy. And take out that spoon and burn your fingers again because you didn't even think ahead, did you? Mix that shit together. Oh yeah. That smells like cheap and budget. Got a tea towel chocolate there. Now to make it like a real cafe, I'm gonna put the lid on, but not quite on, so that when you actually get it, it's gonna spill shit on you. And I got one of these before all the shit went down. Got my name on it and everything. Actually, no, they didn't put my name on it. Oh well, whatever. Anyway, slip your cup in that. And now, call out your own name. Is Sasha here? Sashka? Kanska? Zanskar. Here's your mochaccino. Fucking yeah.